HUAYUAN is a RFID NFC manufacturer. As a close Asia partner of Avery Dennison, we have invested in and involved in RFID etching antenna manufacture, RFID bonding, inserting and converting manufacturing in Shanghai. We continuously develops and innovates passive RFID manufacturing technologies. HUAYUAN had accumulated rich knowledge, know-how and deep understanding. We had serial self-developing for different industries with our RFID design encapsulation to satisfy request of different business applications. Nowadays, RFID tags connect billions of everyday items such as apparel, medical supplies, library and automobile parts to applications such as inventory management, asset tracking and item authentication, delivering real-time information to businesses about items they create, manage, transport and sell.